Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel that is English with RM. Are you scared of spoken English? If you are doing so, stop it immediately. Conquer your fears and start your spoken English journey. Speak as much English as you know. Initially, you can speak broken English. Don't think what will people think. What if you speak wrong English? If people laugh, let them laugh. Don't worry, it happens initially. It is natural to make mistakes while learning. There is no need to be afraid of anything. We are scared when we encounter new things and new situations. It's natural. We have to conquer our fears and embrace the power of courage. Discover an extraordinary courage within you. With courage and confidence, you can achieve anything. It's just learning a language. So don't be afraid of spoken English and start the journey of spoken English today. You will succeed. If you don't conquer your fears, you will not be able to speak English fluently. Nothing is impossible in the world. So become fearless and start your journey today. That's all in this video. Happy learning. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.